The red triangle with an exclamation point in your Toyota Prius is more than just another dashboard light. It's Toyota's master warning system, designed to alert you to critical issues that need immediate attention. This red triangle warning light serves as a master alert system. When it illuminates on your dashboard, it indicates that one or more critical vehicle systems have detected a problem that requires your immediate attention. The red triangle can signal problems in multiple critical systems. These include the hybrid powertrain system, engine control modules, transmission components, safety systems, and other critical vehicle components. Modern Prius models, particularly Generation 4 and 5 vehicles, feature enhanced diagnostic systems. These provide more specific error messages and detailed logging, making it easier to identify the exact nature of the problem. Understanding why the red triangle appeared is crucial for your safety and your vehicle's health. Ignoring this warning can lead to further damage, create safety risks, and result in more expensive repairs down the road. According to 2024 industry data, approximately 67% of red triangle warnings can be resolved through basic reset procedures. However, the remaining 33% require professional diagnosis and repair, highlighting the importance of proper troubleshooting. Remember, the red triangle warning light is your Prius communicating a critical issue that needs attention. Understanding what it means and why it appeared is the essential first step toward proper diagnosis and safe resolution. The first method is a basic ECU reset. This involves disconnecting the 12-volt auxiliary battery to clear the vehicle's computer memory. Step 1. Turn off the vehicle completely. Make sure all systems are powered down before proceeding. Step 2. Remove the negative terminal from the 12-volt auxiliary battery. This is typically the black cable. Wait 10 to 15 minutes to allow the system to fully discharge. Step 3. Reconnect the battery terminal securely. Then start the vehicle and allow the system to complete its self-diagnostics, which takes about 2 to 3 minutes. The second method uses an OBD2 scanner to clear diagnostic trouble codes directly from the vehicle's computer system. Step 1. Connect the OBD2 scanner to the diagnostic port, which is usually located under the dashboard near the driver's left knee. Step 2. Turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. This powers the vehicle's diagnostic systems. Step 3. Access the Clear Codes function on your scanner and clear all stored diagnostic trouble codes. Then start the vehicle to verify the warning light status. The third method is a hybrid system reset that uses the vehicle's power button to reset the hybrid control systems. Step 1. Park safely on level ground and turn off all accessories, including air conditioning, radio, and lights. Step 2. Press and hold the power button for 10 seconds. This initiates a deep reset of the hybrid control systems. Step 3. Release the button and wait 30 seconds. Then restart the vehicle, following the normal procedure, and check if the warning light has cleared. If the red triangle warning persists after trying these reset methods, it indicates a genuine system issue that requires professional diagnosis and repair. Do not ignore persistent warnings, as they may indicate serious safety concerns.